How to add keywords to your GoDaddy website. Want to improve your website ranking on Google? Adding the right keywords to your GoDaddy website builder can help attract more visitors. Let's go through the process step by step. Start by visiting godaddy.com and sign in. Then you will be directed to the dashboard, and this is exactly how the dashboard look like. From the dashboard, find your website. You can see a website over here. Tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on edit website, which is over here. Tap on it. That will open up edit site to you, and this is how the edit website look like. Now on your right hand side you can see an option for the setting. In top right corner, tap on it. From the settings, select get found by the Google, which is basically SEO. It's not directly written SEO over here. However, you have to understand this part is SEO of GoDaddy website builder. It says include keywords that describe what your site is about to help people find you when they search for those terms on Google. So basically, this is where you can add the keywords to improve your site's visibility. Now choose the page that you want to optimize. You can see a pages over here. Simply tap on drop down and you can see my recent pages over here. There's home, shop, privacy policy and terms and conditions. Let's keep it home. And in the headline, enter a short and clear headline that includes relevant keyword. And in the description, write a short summary using a related keywords naturally. For example, best organic skincare, 100% natural products for healthy skin. Once you have added your keywords, simply tap on done, which is over here. Tap on it to update your site, and it's done. And that's it. Now your GoDaddy website is optimized with the right keywords. Have any question, drop them in the comments below. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.